Hello, Craftaholics, and if this is your first time here, it's a pleasure to meet you. My name is Peggy, and welcome to my studio. And yes, you could probably tell my voice, I'm starting to feel better. Finally. But it did dawn on me that while I've been back doing swaps, I keep forgetting to tell you, well, actually, I remember when the boxes are packed to go out, that I should have made a video and shared what I was sending. So I actually remembered this time. So yay, my brain. Anyway, my friend Dina, Crafty Crafts by Dina, hosted a recipe swap this month. And you had to share 5 of your favorite recipes, or 5 recipes, and something to put them in. Oh, and if my partner is watching this, please stop watching right now, unless you've received your box already and opened it, because I want it to be a surprise. Anyway, this is what I made my partner. So, I'll start with the card. Oh, they're building a house, and her kitchen is going to be done in sunflower theme, and she likes the yellows and greens that go along with it. So, I bought a beautiful, I think it's called Sunflower Garden, from Knitwit Collections. So, of course, who else, right? Because I honestly didn't have anything sunflower in my repertoire. So here's what I made. Just on some regular craft cardstock, I made her a card. And that's the inside of it. Just a little note. And then this is the envelope that I made for her. Okay. Then, for the recipes, for me, it's hard to get out and buy anything. So, most of the things I have to make or order from Amazon. So, I was kind of hoping to do a little bit more, but I'm really, really pleased with what I've come up with. Anyway, let me get to it. So, I made this little box. And inside of it, like raw golden sunflowers inside, are the recipe cards that I made, if I can get them out. And it's just some different, this was my mother-in-law's recipe for raisin cookies. But just a few different cards. They all look the same, just different recipes, of course. And I actually made a little card to put in here on the top that says, keep looking because the recipe box is in here somewhere. So I just wanted to package them differently, separately. And then this is the box that I put the recipe card holder in. It's just kind of plain. But on the inside is what's special. Because this is, if I can get it out. This is what I made for her recipes. And it can sit on her counter. It has feet on it. And this is kind of bumped up for some dimension here. But the cards, the pattern for the cards I got on Etsy. Just says recipe on the front and on the back is for directions. And I made some dividers. And they're all the same. They just have different appetizers, soup and salads, main dishes, things like that. But so that can sit on her counter if she would like. And if she needs more cards, she can contact me and I can always print up some more and send them to her. So that is that. And because everything is going to be wrapped with tissue paper and ribbons and whatnot. But I'm not going to take the time right now to do that on camera because it takes a while. Especially that one. I actually tried it, wrapped it, and it's very difficult to get it back in the box. Anyway, I also made this little bag, this little gift bag. And inside of it, I made a kitchen conversion and substitution little chart that she can either hang up or put in a drawer, whatever. Anyway, it's got just some conversions here. And then just some substitute things. Just a little bit. And then the back page just has a sunflower on it. I'm always looking for, that kind of information. So, I'm sure if it helps me, it'll probably help her as well. Then I made this little... sorry, my brain is still kind of blah. So just bear with me, please. I made a little envelope box. And inside of it... I took some of the cut-aparts and decorations that come with the kit, and I backed them up on 5 pieces of of black cardstock from Hobby Lobby. And I put magnets on it to make her some refrigerator magnets. I think they're so pretty. I love these. And this one is cute. There's advice from a sunflower. I like it. So there are those. Then at Dollar Tree, I found this really cool chalkboard. Okay, let me do it sideways so you can see the whole thing. There's the whole thing. Woo-doo. I know hard to look at that way. But I just decorated up with, it came with the rope to hang. So I just add those some, all little decorations on it. And I thought that was cute, something to hang keys on or something. And then you just get a chalkboard marker to write on it. I just thought it was really, really cute. Actually, I wish I had gotten two because I really want one myself. And then I bought her a set of, the oven mitt and the 2 pot holders. And they also came with 2 towels, which is my final thing that I made. Isn't this adorable? It is like a life-size rolling pin, okay? But inside, it's actually a cookie box. But carefully, I had the 2 dish towels that came with the set inside of the rolling pin. So that is what I made my partner. I also have like some stickers and some other little thing. Well, let me show you. I love this rolling pin. Okay, and that is from Dreaming Tree. So I also bought some stickers, and I bought these on Amazon, and I'm just gonna throw them in like as little fillers in the box. So that is what I'm sending my partner, and I hope you liked it. If you did like this video, please give it a big thumbs up, because it really does help my channel grow on YouTube. And also share it with a crafty friend. And please, if you're not already, please subscribe to my channel, because I'm trying to reach 1,000 subscribers by the end of the year, and I can only do it with your help. So that's all I have for you for today, and I will see you in the next one. Bye, guys.